Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to fix Kelvinator air conditioner heat mode not working. Fix 1. Check the airflow and filters. Open the air conditioner unit and check the air filter. If the filter is dirty or clogged, clean it thoroughly or replace it if needed. Ensure that the airflow direction is appropriately set. Adjust the vents to ensure optimal airflow inside the room. Ensure the fan speed is not set too low as it can restrict the unit's heating performance. Increase the fan speed if necessary for better airflow. If any doors or windows are open, it can affect the heating efficiency. Close them to maintain the room temperature properly. If none of the steps above fix the issue, there may be a system fault. Contact Kelvinator's Customer Care Center on 1-800-889-1045 to report the issue and arrange for a service call. Fix 2. Evaluate the reversing valve and compressor. If the air blown out is more than 5 Fahrenheit cooler than the room temperature, the reversing valve might be stuck or the operating coil is not getting power. If the air temperature is in heat mode and is the same as the room temperature but works fine in cooling mode, the compressor may not be running in heating mode. Confirm that the compressor activates when you switch to heat mode. If the external unit stops running when switched to heat mode, there might be an issue with the system's reversing valve or compressor. If the issue persists during hot weather, wait until the weather is cooler and test the heating mode again. If the problem continues in colder condition, contact a technician for repair. Fix 3. Examine for ice buildup. Check both units for any visible ice buildup, particularly on coils. If ice is present, turn off your unit and allow it to defrost completely before turning it back on. After defrosting, observe whether the heating function improves. Fix 4. Seek professional assistance. If none of the above solutions resolve your heating issue, it may be time to contact a professional HVAC technician. They can provide effective diagnostics to solve the issue. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.